So, hello everyone. Here we are in the global village. At the same day, after the Miracle Garden, we visit the second attraction in Dubai, that is Global Village. We heard that this place having so much adventurous things. So please carry on with us till the end of the video. We will share our experience with you. And yes, we are so excited to visit this place too. So first of all, we are very hungry and we are started with our beautiful desserts. Here are the beautiful desserts like mangoes, and there are kunafas. Yeah, this is the most popular sweet in Dubai, and yes, wherever you go kunafas are there. So you can have it, and yeah, these are the shells. We tried it because it was very curious for us to try new things in Dubai. And yes, Global Village attraction means all the countries are together here, and every country's specialty is inside that country or inside that gate. So here some stalls that the person is making painting of people's cartoon, and we are not that much interested to make our cartoon, so let's let it be. And we are entering in the Egypt. यहाँ पे जाते ही हमें कुछ इजिप्ट के स्टैचूज़ मिले. दैट वाज पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ इजिप्ट, एंड वी आर seeing that things, and that was some kind of cringe also, but let it be that there are the popularity. At that time I was hungry and we had a break. I had a shawarma. In Global Village there are multiple stalls of foods and shopping material. Yes, you want whatever you want, there will be available. And here is our India Gate. Actually we don't have that much time to visit every country. We have our driver have given us a very minimal time, that we are so hurry and we have to explore the things. The Global Village was really too big, and it cannot be visited in minimum time or half day. For this place I was still having my drinks and getting energy to walk faster and to cover this Global Village very fast. And seriously guys, I will recommend you to, if you are visiting this Global Village, please had a package like you are visiting this place for one day, because it's too big. You cannot have it in a half day. And here is our next attraction, that is the Galaxy World. Yes, this Galaxy World that we are just having experience, that we have gone in the space. So guys, this was really beautiful experience we had over here. And here the mirror dancer man, that is a skeleton actually, but yeah, it was so funny to see that view, and we had captured some moments of that skeleton. That skeleton was very funny and we have enjoyed that moment. After that, in Global Village only China dance was going on. We don't have that much time to spend there, but we still try to spend some time and watch that performance, because it was too beautiful and we can't miss it. So we have stopped for a few minutes and we watched it, and it was really so awesome and fabulous. So next place we have to go. Chalo chale. Here is the show Ultimate Challenge, but due to some reasons the show was stopped for that day. That was not going on, so we just skip that place. And yes, you can see there is no place for sitting. The people are randomly sitting on the grass for relaxation. We don't have that much time also to be relaxed, so we are just walking and walking. And here is the adventurous thing finally came. Now the adventure means it's just like a mela, and there's a Japan country, and I was eating ice cream. This was the ride, which was very beautiful, and we just think that हमें वो करनी चाहिए, but we don't have that much time to take that ride. So we just saw it and हमने हमारा मन बना लिया guys. We don't have option now. So हमने आगे जाके देखा ये horror hotel. Yeah, it was quite scary, but we don't have that much also time to visit that horror hotel. What is that inside in it? So this was too much disappointing, we can say, but still it was nice to visit. Thank you.